Good day, grade 11s. Today's short video is looking at what a primary key is in Access. So for this, you can see I've got a database open and I'm in my table. And for that, I need to go up to view and I need to change that so I can go into the design view of my table. Now, what you will see on the left-hand side is an icon that looks like a little key, right? Like this one over here that indicates the primary key. So let's just ask the question now. What exactly is a primary key? Because you can see with the fields that we have here, artist, CD name, genre, why would we have the primary key there? Now, first and foremost, they will generally ask you to either apply a primary key or to remove a primary key. And this is simply indicating a field where each record has a unique value. So out of these fields, you are identifying the field that's going to have unique values that are going to be placed into it. In other words, CD name over here, you're not going to have two CDs with the same name. Okay. Sometimes you might have ID number. Sometimes you might have something else, but it needs to be a field that cannot be left empty and one that contains unique values for each and every record. Right. So when I click on that, you can see primary key is highlighted. And when I click on it, I can remove my primary key and I can apply the primary key again. But grade 11s, this is just what the primary key is and how to apply it and how to remove it.